we'll guide you through how to import fonts to Unity. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Start menu on Windows to begin the process of importing fonts into Unity. Click the search bar, type Unity, and then select the Unity application from the search results to launch the software on your computer. Wait for the software to fully load before continuing, so every feature becomes available without issues. This also helps prevent unexpected errors or missing menus during the setup and font importing process later inside. Open your existing Unity project or create a new project from the Unity Hub before moving to the next step. Download the font you want to use on your computer in a supported format, such as TTF or OEF, so Unity can recognize it correctly. Locate the downloaded font file on your computer using File Explorer after the download is complete. Drag and drop the downloaded font file directly into the Unity project window, so the asset becomes part of your project files. Remember that you cannot drag the raw font file directly into a 𝗡𝗘𝗏 Pro component, because it will not work correctly. The font must be converted first into a 𝗡𝗏𝗏 Pro compatible asset before it can be assigned to text objects. Navigate to the top menu and select Window to access additional Unity tools and options. Select 𝗡𝗏𝗏 Pro from the drop-down menu and click on Font Asset Creator to open the font generation window. Drag your imported font file into the slot labeled Source Font File inside the Font Asset Creator panel. Review the settings carefully, although in most cases you do not need to change the default options. Click the Generate Font Atlas button and wait while Unity creates the font texture and character data. Once the generation process is complete, click Save As to create the new 𝗡𝗏𝗏 Pro font asset. Create or select a folder, such as a fonts folder, to keep your project organized and save the asset there. Select your 𝗡𝗏𝗏 Pro object in the hierarchy and drag the newly created font asset into the font asset slot of the 𝗡𝗏𝗏 Pro component. Verify that the text in your scene has changed to the custom font successfully. Finally, save the scene in your Unity project once everything looks correct and the imported font works properly.